What's up, guys? It's Clay at Mallard Motors. Wanted to introduce y'all to the newest 3/4 ton we have on the lot. Before I get off into that, don't forget about our $100 credit challenge. That's where we give you $100 cash money if we're unable to get your credit approved. What we're looking at here is a 2017 model Ram 2500 heavy duty SLT trim level. It's a really beautiful bright red color. Got the chrome trim on the grille and the chrome front bumper. It's got a 5.7 liter Hemi in it, so it burns gas, not diesel. It is 4-wheel drive. Got clear headlights on the front still. Got the fixed running boards on both sides. Those are some aftermarket ones. Kind of like those myself. Tires on it are almost brand new. Got some great tread left on them. Got some aftermarket, looks like Fuel brand rims on there. And those are, let's see, those are 18s on there. Full size 4-door crew cab. Got the chrome back bumper, parking sensors on the back bumper, towing package already on there, backup camera, got a spray-in bed liner. Looks like you got a spot for a gooseneck. Possibly put one there. It's a keyless entry. Got cloth interior. The interior is kind of a dark brown color. You can see it on the carpet as well. Got some air vents for the back seat. Tons of leg room. Got little cubby holes for storage on both sides. We got power locks, power windows, power adjustable side mirrors, manual seats. This is one of those where you use the key fob as the key. So you just put it in there and crank it. Got 161,000 miles on the dash. Cruise control is on the steering wheel here. You got a smaller size touchscreen media center here. Serious capabilities as well. It's got Bluetooth. You can hook your phone up for media or hands-free calling, whatever you need to do. See, there's that backup camera. Electronic differential there. Trailer brake. Very clean on the inside. Oh, and you also have a power sliding back glass back there. I don't guess I'm forgetting anything. It's a good looking truck, probably won't last too long. If you're interested, give me a phone call. I'd be happy to get you more information about it. 870-639-9200.